Download this code and get free GPT-4o from codegive.com, link in the description below. To remove URLs and special characters in a data frame in Python, you can use regular expressions, regex, along with the str.replace function from the pandas library. Here's a step-by-step tutorial with a code example. Step 1. Import the necessary libraries. Step 2. Create a sample data frame with URLs and special characters. Step 3. Define a function to remove URLs and special characters. Step 4. Apply the clean_text function to the data frame. Step 5. View the cleaned data frame. Output. In the above example, the clean_text function removes URLs using the regex pattern https://s+ and removes special characters using the regex pattern r**azaz0-9 \s. The function is then applied to the text column of the data frame using the apply function. The clean text is stored in a new column cleaned_text. You can further customize the clean_text function to suit your specific requirements for removing URLs and special characters from the data frame.